So I just finished up the authentication a day or so ago, and I wanted to just record this quick little video with showing what I was up to. This was kind of a big piece of the project because I'd never done authentication. Well, I've never done anything in the app, but authentication felt like a big thing. There's a lot of pieces to it. It feels small when you watch the tutorials, because they demo just kind of like how to get in, how to write the code to like get in, and the UI is simple, and there's no kind of like deeper checking, formatting. The security is usually a little bit light, and definitely nothing for like changing passwords and re-authenticating. So this was actually part of the settings page. The settings page I had was one of the first things I laid out in Swift UI, but without hooking anything up. And now I've finally finished it, or at least as much as I can at the moment. So here you can see the settings, a bunch of like little small stuff here. Obviously the top stuff I've grayed out because I've not done it. But things like contacting support, like this all links through. So you can see that sending an idea. These are all links that go outside of the app. They're just simple HTML or HTTP links. Writing a review actually works. That's kind of cool. I was happy that that wasn't too complicated. And then things like managing subscription also will take you there, although it's not really connected to anything except that subscription page. But I think that's actually all you need to do now that I think about it. Sign out at the bottom, that works. There's a little confirmation. I'm not going to do that now. And then you can change your password and delete your account. Now, what I did here was this was kind of part of the difficulty for me getting authentication working, like understanding what state the user's in, when to hide and show things. So for example, you can sign in with Apple, which I'll show you in a sec, but you don't want change password to show up when you're signed in with Apple. So you need to have like a check for that. So I got that done, but let me show you a couple more things. So when you change password, a re-authentication is necessary with the service I'm using. So I just capture the current password right away instead of popping up a re-authentication screen. And then you can go ahead and like type your password, new, confirm. I actually do check for password length. So if I just type whatever and submit it, the passwords don't match. Let me type one that does match. And this will give you, it'll tell you it's not strong enough. There's a little transition between the little error messages, which I kind of like. Oh, that's my screensaver. Shit. I wonder if, yeah, hopefully that's still recording. Let's get that there. Okay. High production value stuff here. So you can go ahead and change your password. That works nicely. And then you can also delete your account. And I have this little pop-up. I learned how to do these kind of partial pop-ups that only come up part way. And now, since I've been logged into this account for a while, it should prompt me to re-authenticate. So, yeah. Oh. Bug. Gotta fix that. Not even sure what happened there. All right, well, that's a bug. Let me show you the sign out, or rather the sign in. So here you can sign in with Apple. If you have an account, you can log in with your email password. You can sign up for a new account here, where there's a little confirmation thing. So let's go ahead and just log in. I'll continue with Apple. This part was, looks like a very simple flow, but there's quite a bit to it, which I found out as I was learning it. But yeah, it all kind of works. Let's try this. Oh no, see, yeah, that's got to get fixed. All right, a little bit more work to do, but that's the progress so far, and quite happy with it. It's looking good. Okay, anyway, I'll leave it there.